Listen, today I show you one crazy thing. You don't need coding, you don't need programming knowledge, nothing. Just copy paste one prompt. And AI will make full single page portfolio for you. Clean design, animation, Bento layout, everything done by AI. This style is called vibe coding. Means you don't write code, you only tell AI the vibe, the style, the mood, and AI builds the whole page like some expert front-end developer. So even if you are non-coder, designer, student, freelancer, or someone who just want clean portfolio fast, this tutorial is perfect for you. I will break the whole vibe coding prompt step by step. So after this video, you can create your own modern single page portfolio in just a few minutes. Let's start. Now you can look this prompt, the master vibe coding prompt. Here I have designed this prompt to build a single page portfolio website. Let me define or explain each line. Here, we tell the AI, pretend you are world-class front-end architect and designer who has won awards. Why? Because AI responds differently depending on the role. When you give it a high-level expert role, the output becomes high quality and professional. And below to this, you can see we have defined the objective. This prompt tell the AI build a stunning single page portfolio, make it production ready, structure it like modern React front end project. Now after this you can see the vibe and aesthetic section. So here you can see the theme. This theme describe the visual personality, dark, modern, clean with Bento grid boxes. Think apple.com meets a futuristic UI. Now after this we have defined the palette and you can see this palette section. Now here you can see first thing we define the background, and this prompt tells the UI to use a deep dark blue or purple, not a pure black. Pure black looks flat and cheap. And then after that we can see we have the surface, or these prompts tell the AI card should look like a glass, transparent with blur, which means the card should look like a Glassmorphism. And then after that, we have defined the accent. Here, it tells use only one bright color, only use for important things like a buttons or hover states, because this creates that dopamine pop effect. Now then, here you can see we have defined the texture. This line tell AI to add a film grain noise texture over everything to make the UI feel real and premium. And then finally, you can see here we have defined the typography. Under typography, you can see the headline. It is going to use the font play flare display, and then you can see the body is going to use the font enter font. Now let's move to this part, structure layout. So here we tell the AI exactly how to design the layout. We use a 4-column grid like a mosaic to make it visually interesting. Then for a desktop, it is going to use the 4-column. For mobile, it is going to use the 1-column. So we are instructing to the UI how to design the layout. On a desktop, it will be 4, on mobile, it will be 1. And then the card is going to have a different size. You can see here we have defined the gaps, which means on the website, on the portfolio page, we will have a different card. So what will be the spacing between those cards? So we have defined the spacing. Now here you can see the radius. It should be a rounded corners. You can see large rounded corner for the modern look. Okay, this part ensures a designer level layout with zero manual design needed. Okay, so here you can see content module, and here we have defined the prompt for the each of the card. You can see here the hero card. This is the big intro card and a subtitle about what you do. Then here we have the status card, a tiny glowing dot showing available for work. Then we have the work cards, and these showcase your past work. On hover, they zoom slightly and show an arrow. Then here we have the about card. You can see here this is the one paragraph about yourself, and then the text stack. So here it will appear like a scrolling line of skills like React, TypeScript, Element, and you can change this text according to yourself. And after that, social icons for Twitter, LinkedIn, and email. Then we have defined the CTA card. When you hover, the background fills the accent color. We have defined the interaction and physics on entrance. It is showing to fade animation for each card. Okay, then the cursor will be replaced with the custom follower dot, and this one ensures the scroll feels soft and fluid. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to copy this prompt. Okay, you have to copy this prompt. Okay, now after copying this prompt, just go to the Google AI Studio. Then here, choose the model Gemini 3 Pro Preview. Okay, after selecting this model, paste all the prompt into the box like this. Now, to build that single page portfolio website, you have to click on this build and wait. And now you can see AI is doing the work. AI is building the portfolio. Okay. You have to wait for minutes. Okay. It can be 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes. Just wait. And let's go back to the prompt. And you can see here, you can customize this prompt. What you can do here, you can copy this prompt. Okay. You can just copy this prompt and go to the website like a ChatGPT Cloud and tell to customize this prompt according to your needs. As you can see, AI is creating a HTML file or the component required for our website. And here I want to tell you one thing. This Google AI Studio by default uses the React for building the website. You are non-coder, and I think maybe you don't know about what is this React. This React is a framework that is used in the world of web development to build a website. So now as you can see, it's finding the error, and also you can see it's solving or analyzing the error and then fixing those errors. Look, now our website is ready. You can see here. Okay, let's make a full screen. And this is our modern portfolio that is built by AI. You can see here. Okay, look how this website appear. So here I'm going to reload the website by clicking on the reload the app. Now you can see how this website looks very beautiful. And as you can see, this single page portfolio is built only using this single vibe coding prompt. You can see here. You can customize this prompt. Okay, just copy all of this prompt, and after copying this prompt, go to the Cloud, ChatGPT, or Gemini and paste this prompt with the instruction whatever the changes you want, and then again copy those prompt and come back to the Google AI Studio and paste the prompt, and you will find this single page portfolio using only a single prompt. So I hope that you like this video. I want you to subscribe and like and share this video. So thank you everyone.